In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a zap in Zapier. If you're looking to clean up your workflow or just tidy up a few automated processes, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, head over to the Zapier website and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to make your way to the upper section of the page where you'll see the Assets tab. Clicking on Assets will give us a more focused view of all the elements involved in our automations, making it easier to manage things like zaps. Now, with the assets so handily displayed, your next step is to locate and click on the Zaps tab. This is where all your automated workflows reside. Each zap represents a different automation task you've created in Zapier, allowing you to see everything you've set up at a glance. Once you're in the Zap section, you should see a list of your current zaps. Take your time and identify the specific zap that you want to delete. If you have a lot of zaps, don't worry. You can use the search bar to quickly find the one you're interested in. Now, as you hover over the zap in question, you'll notice 3 small dots on the right side of its listing. This is actually the menu that will let you perform different actions on this particular zap. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This action will reveal a small drop-down menu that provides several options related to managing your zap. In this drop-down menu, look for the Delete option. This is what you're going to use to remove the zap entirely from your account. When you click Delete, a prompt will likely appear to confirm that you want to proceed with deletion. This extra step is just a safety measure to ensure that you don't accidentally delete something important. It's crucial here to double-check that you've selected the right zap, especially if you have several that look similar. Take a moment to confirm once again that this is the zap you want to get rid of forever. After you've made your final decision and confirmed the deletion, the zap will be permanently removed from your list. Keep in mind that once deleted, this action cannot be undone. This means you'll need to recreate it from scratch if you decide later that you need it. It's always a good idea to review any workflows connected to the zap you're about to delete, to avoid any disruption in your automated tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a zap in Zapier. Feel free to repeat this process anytime you need to clean up or manage your zaps more effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out other helpful tutorials on our channel.